Merhaba,
Merhaba Mehmet.
nasılsınız?
Çok şükür iyiyim ya. Sen nasılsın?
İyiyim,
Okul nasıl geçti bugün?
iyiydi.
Ne yaptın okulda?
Um,
Algebra ders var mıydı bugün?
evet vardı.
Ne konu işlediniz? Hangi konu işlediniz?
Um, one to one, on to bir şeylerdi.
One to one functions'lar mı?
Evet,
One to one function ne demekmiş?
bilmiyorum. Yani aynı şekilde bir şeydi.
Hı?
Aynı şekilde, like if they're same or something. Domain.
Anlamadım. Ya fonksiyonlar mı işliyorsunuz şu an?
Evet,
Hangi kitap kullanıyorsun sen? Eline bir kitap verdi mi? Yani bir materyal falan filan ödevleri nasıl yapıyorsun?
yani ablamla yapıyorum.
Peki
Kitabım var.
nereden yapıyorsun o? Kitaptan mı, kağıttan mı, worksheet'ten mi? Nereden yapıyorsun?
Göstereyim yani.
Ha?
Kitaptan yapıyorum. Kitap.
Nasıl? Kitaptan
Kitaptan
mı?
yapıyorum. Aha,
Hangi kitap? İsmi ne?
bakayım. Bir saniye. Reveal Algebra 2.
Aha.
Şöyle. Reveal
Algebra
Algebra.
2. Review Algebra 2. Yazar kimmiş?
Efendim?
Yazarı.
Sir McGraw-Hill.
McGraw-Hill mu?
Evet.
McGraw-Hill. Anladım. Tamam. McGraw-Hill. Güzel. Yani bu fonksiyonu seninle öğrendik. Orada biraz daha derin gidiyor.
Hı
Yani
hı.
şimdi one to one, on to one, on to fonksiyonlar çok önemli değil de onu bilmen lazım. Sadece bir konsept. Ama özellikle domain nasıl bulunur, range nasıl bulunur, fonksiyonun değeri nasıl bulunur, grafı nasıl bulunur, çizilir. Bunlar en önemli şeyler fonksiyon hakkında şey. Çok başka bir şey yok yani orada.
Evet.
Seninle yani değerini bulma yani how to evaluate the value of the function at a given point. Bunu işledik seninle. Domaini bulma, x values. Onu da işledik. Range, y values. Onu da işledik. Sadece işte biraz farklı fonksiyon göreceksin orada. İşte
Evet.
ödevlerin varsa böyle o şeyde getirirsen bakabiliriz yani o takıldığı nokta varsa. Tamam.
Hı hı.
Zaten şu an ben bunu bitireceğim. Bir gün seninle System of Equations. Ondan sonra şeye geçeceğiz. Quadratic Functions'lara geçeceğiz. Ondan sonra da seninle algebraya başlamayı düşünüyorum zaten.
Hı. Evet.
Macro Hills kullanıyorsan ben de bir bakayım da bakalım. Yani o kitap elimde olsa Macro Hills bende var o şeyleri de. Tamam.
Tamam.
Evet. İşte matematik zaten birbirine bağlı şeyler. Çok farklı değil yani. Oradaki fonksiyon da bizim öğrendiğimiz fonksiyon aynı. Sadece seninle fonksiyonun sadece temel şeyler öğrendik. Basic concepts.
Evet.
Ama fonksiyon dediğin aynı şey. What is a function? Function. It's a special relation where every element of the domain is paired with exactly one element of the range. Ne demek bu? Yani bu input value herhangi bir input value koyduğun zaman fonksiyona sana tek bir netice vermesi lazım, sonuç vermesi lazım. Yani
Evet.
öyle bir bağlantı, tamam mı? Bağlantıya biz fonksiyon diyoruz yani. O biraz definition şey olabilir de ama normalde çok basit bir şey. Yani. Çok böyle komplike bir şey değil ya.
Hı hı.
Tamam ama sen işte biraz oturup çalıştığın zaman İşte bağlantı kurabilirsen tamam mı? Ya fonksiyon, linear function, quadratic function nedir? Yani hesaplama, how to evaluate its value. Biraz iyi anlarsan hepsini anlarsın. Ya hepsi birbirine bağlı şeyler, aynı şeyler.
Evet.
Sadece farkı algebra şeyde, 2'de daha biraz farklı fonksiyon görüyorsun. İşte it's involving absolute value function, polynomial function to the degree of 3 or 4, and the graphs where it has maximum value, where it has minimum value, global maximum, global minimum, local maximum, local minimum. Ama bu kavramlar kelimeler yani. Anlamını anlarsan çok basit şeyler ya. Zor bir şey değil ya. Tamam.
Hı.
Oldu. Ben bir bakayım o kitaba da konulara. Ama aynı şeyler. Genel olarak ben seninle şu bir tane daha konu kaldı da onu bitirebilirsek sonra Algebra 2 geçmeyi düşünüyorum. Belki hem
Hı.
benimle Algebra işlersen okulda da onu görürsen inşallah daha iyi anlarsın. Yani sonra işte Algebra bir temel şeyi, Algebra 2 de onun devamı. Mehmet devam edelim işimize. Şimdi seninle System of Linear Equations. Tamam mı? 3 tane metot öğrendik. Hangileriydi metotlar?
Um, like
The first one is graphical method, right?
second one is least common
Substitution methods.
substitution.
And the third one, this one, the last one, elimination method.
Elimination.
Yani zaten kelimelerin anlamından geliyor yani. Substitution method. Yani substitute ediyoruz değil mi? Yerine koyuyoruz yani. Elimination method. Eliminate demek you need to remove one of the variables. Yani bir tanesini yok ediyorsun. Yani x ya da y'yi onu öyle çözüyorsun. Yani o yüzden elimination method diyor. O yüzden substitution method. Graphical method'da önce graftan çizmen lazım. Ondan sonra analiz ediyorsun. If they intersect each other, they have one solution. If they are parallel to each other, no solution. If they are overlapping each other, which means that both equations are exactly the same, and that means that they have infinitely many solutions.
Yeah.
Tamam. Devam edelim Mehmet. İşte bunu çok rahat olabilmen lazım. Her soruyu böyle hemen çözebilsen artık derim Mehmet bu olayı çözdün. Başka konuya geçelim. İşte her zaman takılırsan, hata yaparsan o biraz bizi işimizi yavaşlatır. All right. Let's start. Let me connect my pen. Hadi Mehmet. First, if you're given equations, you should align them or write them in standard form. Standard form means that ax plus by equals c, right? The first equation is already in standard form, but the second one is not.
So
So
you
I'm
do
just going to rewrite this. Yes, 7x plus
5y
5y is
negative
equal
13.
to negative 13. How about the second one?
Negative 2x minus 7y equals 26.
That's it. And now
Yeah.
see here that if I want to eliminate y, the coefficients must be the same, right? But 5 and 7. Yeah, we know that both are prime numbers. What is prime number, Mehmet?
7 and what? Oh
What
yeah,
is a
5.
prime number?
Um, like they're same.
Hmm?
Uh, I don't know.
Just a second. Okay. Mehmet, prime number in Turkish we call this asal sayılar. Prime numbers. Okay. So what is it? It's a number which has exactly two distinct factors. Okay. So what is the smallest prime number? It is 2. Next prime number, it is 3. And there's 5 and 7 and 11 and 13. What is the next prime number?
16.
17. 16 has a lot of factors, 1, 2, 4, 8. But prime number has only 2 factors, one in itself. Actually, we don't say one in itself, it has exactly 2 distinct factors because one is not a prime number. And next prime number is 19. What is the next prime number? What do you think? What is the next number that has exactly 2 different factors? 2 factors, one in itself.
22.
23.
Oh,
22, it has factors 1 and 2 and 11 and 22, right? But 23 only 2. And what is next?
27.
No, 27 is divisible by 3. It should be divisible by only 1 and itself.
25. No. Yeah, 25.
29.
Oh,
25
29.
is divisible by 5.
Oh, yeah.
What is the next number?
30. 30.
31.
Oh, yeah, 31.
Next. Let's do this until 50. Next.
34.
It's not an even number. Every even number has a factor of 2. At least don't say even number. I'm saying that prime number is a number which has only 2 factors, 1 and itself.
37.
37. Next.
39.
No, 39 is divisible by 3.
30. No, 41.
41. Next.
46. No, no, no,
43.
no. Yeah, 43.
And the next one is 47. And it continues. Okay. And I'm
Yeah.
saying that here in our case, 5 and 7, both numbers are prime numbers. So that means that their least common multiple is just multiply these numbers each by each other, 35. So we multiply the first equation by what?
5. No, 7.
7. The second
Yeah.
one by 5, right? So if you multiply this, 7 times 7, it is 49x. 7 times 5,
7 times 5.
35. Well, what is 7 times 13?
7 times 13.
7 times 10, 70. 7 times 3, 21.
100,
And their sum,
114 or something.
91.
Or 91.
And next one is 5 times negative 2, negative 10x. And 5 times negative 7, it is negative 35. And what is 5 times 26?
5 times 26.
5
100.
times 20,
120.
100, right?
Oh, yeah, 100.
And how about 5 times 6? I'm multiplying like this. Remember, this is a mental arithmetic. 5 times, what is it?
130.
26, huh?
130.
130, right? Distributed properly. 5 times 20, it is 100. 5 times 6, it is 30. So on the right-hand side, we have 130. And now these two equations, to eliminate y, do we need to add or subtract?
Um, Add.
We should add, right? Because signs are opposite. So if you add, what is 49 plus negative 10?
49 plus negative 10. 39x.
39x. Good. And the 35y plus negative 35y, it is gone.
4.
What is negative 91 plus 130?
Um, 41.
39.
No, 39. 39. Yeah.
And 39x equals 39. So what is x?
0. No, 1.
1. If
Yeah.
x equals 1, what is y? I can substitute into the maybe
Oh,
the
yeah.
first equation. 7 times 1 is 7. Move to the right-hand side, negative 13 minus 7, which is negative 20. And divided
Yeah.
by 5, that's equal to negative 4.
Yeah.
But you should be able to do this fast, Mehmet, fast and without any mistake. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now try next question, Mehmet. Do question 1. Okay. Now let's try to solve as fast as possible because you have knowledge, you have experience, right? You know what to do, how to do. The only we need now is speed.
Okay. Alright,
What did you get?
wait, so you multiply each of them 5, I think?
No, no, no. You multiply the first one by 5?
Yeah,
It's also okay. Okay, if you multiply by 5, so you're going to eliminate x first.
yeah.
Okay. Here we have 5x minus
Minus
10y
five. Oh yeah, 10y equals
equals,
120.
huh?
No,
Did you do that in your notebook?
60.
You should in your notebook 60. So the second equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to negative 44. So what do we do next, Mehmet? Add or subtract?
I add uh x equals 0 and then
What do we do
negative
here? Add or subtract?
add. Oh no, subtract.
We subtract. 5 the same. Why we subtract?
Yeah,
If you
same.
subtract 5 minus 5, 0. What is negative 10 minus 3?
Negative 13.
Negative 13. Negative 13y. And what is 60 minus negative 44?
60 minus negative 44.
It is like
104.
this, right? 60 minus 44, right? And
4.
minus minus is plus. What is it?
104.
104. Very good. So that
Yeah,
is 104. So now,
13.
Mehmet, we can find y is equal to 104 divided by negative 13. And divide 104 by 13. What is
Um,
91 divided by 13, Mehmet?
91 divided by 13.
Yeah,
Uh,
we've just done
8.
it here, you remember? 7 times 13. What is 7 times 13?
7 times 13. 91.
91. So 91 divided by 13 is 7, right?
Oh yes. 7.
But here we have 104. 104 is 91 plus 13, right?
8.
That is 8. Negative 8, right?
Yeah.
It is negative 8. Mehmet, can you find x now?
Okay. So it's negative 4.
Negative 4?
Yeah.
Good. Very good, Mehmet. Now you're doing better today. Negative 4. So dots, dots, dots. We always write x first. Negative 4 and negative 8.
Yeah.
Mehmet, do question 2. Do it. You tell me your final answer.
Okay. It's -1 for x.
Hmm?
For x, it's -1.
No. What is the answer? What is x and y?
X is -1, and
Why?
wait, y, sorry, what was it? -4. Wait, let me do it. -22?
-22 or
Yeah.
23?
Oh yeah, 23. Yeah,
-23,
23.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. You see, it's really easy, Mehmet. But just, systematically, if you do in your notebook, you can understand really well. We just multiply the second equation by 2, right? 7x minus 2y is equal to 37. Next equation multiplied by 2, it is 8x plus 2y is equal to 38. Now, since opposite signs, right, add them. 7 plus 8, it is 15x. It is gone. 37 plus 38, that is 75, and x is equal to 75 divided by 15. That's equal to 5. How come you got -1?
You subtract 7x
We
minus
add.
6.
We add.
Oh, we add? But 7x and 8x are same signs.
Now look at the y's. Now we are eliminating y's, right? Not x.
Oh,
These guys are equal.
oh yeah.
Again, you make a mistake out of it. Why? Very simple questions. Okay. Now using the second equation, I will find y. Y is equal to 19 minus 4 times x. What is x? It is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 19 minus 20 is -1. So dot, dot, dot. X is equal to 5. Y is equal to -1. Try to solve without mistake, my maths. Now we solve at least, I don't know, 56 questions. You must be able to solve this very easily and quickly, my maths.
Oh, okay.
A very simple thing. You just multiply and add, that's it. You're not doing something very complicated. Just you need to do this very carefully. That's it. Do question 3. Do it carefully. Okay, try to get correct answer. And if you're still, I don't understand. Remember, how come you look at the numbers 7 and 8, they are different, right? If you add and subtract, they will not be eliminated, right? Which means that you cannot eliminate this x. But if you look at y, it is -2 and 2. They're the same numbers, right? With opposite signs, right? But you
Oh,
should be able to differentiate this. Still, you are confusing, Yeah, you get confused. You are just adding 7 and 8. How come? It's 7 and 8. They are not the same numbers, right?
yeah.
How come? Think a little bit. Think. This is 7 plus 8, 15. Huh? X is not gone. And 7 minus 8, -x. It is still here. So now you should try y, right?
Yeah.
Question 3. Come on, Mehmet. You have 2 minutes.
What's 18 times 8?
18 times 8,
Yeah.
we can multiply like this. 8 times 18, right? 18, I can write 10 plus 8.
Oh,
8 times
88.
10, 80. 8 times 8, 64, right?
Oh,
0 plus 4, it is 4. 8 plus 6, 14.
oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so for X, I got 7.
X, you got 7.
Yeah.
Y?
Y, let me solve.
You multiply the second equation terms by 4, right?
Yeah. Wait.
So you subtracted or added, Mehmet?
I did 2 times 8.
What?
I multiplied, for the top one, I did 2 times. And for the bottom, I did 8 times.
But you can just only multiply the second equation by 4. We'll have 8 and 8, right?
Oh,
We can do that, but because you see here 8 and 2, the smallest number divisible by 2 and 8 is 8. So just multiply the second equation by 4, you say I get 8. And now if you subtract, 3 minus negative 4 is 7x, right?
yeah.
8 minus 8, 0. Negative 5 minus 72, that is negative 77. You made a mistake here. I think you wrote positive 77. That's why you get 7. And actually, it's not 7. So x is equal to negative 77 divided by 7, which is equal to negative 11, not 7.
Oh.
Right? Well, where did they
Mm-hmm.
make a mistake, my mess?
At the
Look at your
beginning.
work. Look at your work. Look at your notebook. look at the steps. Where did you make a mistake? Can you find your mistake?
So yeah, I did. I multiplied 2 times 8. Like
Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's do your way, Mehmet. Tell me. I'm going to write your work. So the first line, what should I write?
3x plus 8y equals -5 times
Okay.
2.
Then?
And then -2x plus 2y equals 18 times 8.
Okay. So tell me after you multiplying by
I got
those numbers.
6x plus 16y equals -10.
Okay. 6x plus 16y
Y
equals
equals
-10. Next line.
-16x plus 16y equals 144.
Negative 16x plus 16y equals
144.
144.
Yeah.
Next.
And then I subtract
Very good. Then what is 6 minus 16?
22x
22x.
equals
Okay.
154.
What is negative 10 minus 144?
150. No, wait, no. Yeah, 154.
Negative
Neg
10 minus 144? Negative 154, right?
oh yeah, -150.
Negative 154.
And then equals 7. It's in.
You got 7. I think only you make a mistake here. I think it's here. It should be 8, right? Can you see a mistake, Mehmet?
Yeah.
It's only negative, right? It should be negative. Because here, if you divide, you are dividing like this, right? X equals negative 154 divided by 22, right? Negative divided by positive, it should be -7, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you made a mistake in sign. Because if it is, if you make a mistake, then your y will be wrong. Okay, Mehmet, a small mistake. Continue. So now x equals -7. Now find y.
Okay. Oops. It's 11. Negative.
-11?
Wait. No, it's 11. Yeah. No, no negative.
I can use the second one, like
Yeah.
-2 times -7 plus 2y is equal to 18. So
Mm-hmm.
2y is equal to 18. -2 times -7 is positive 14. Move to
14.
the right hand side, -14. So
Oh
y
wait.
is equal to 18 minus 14 is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2.
Whoa.
What did you say?
Wait, -2 times -7 equals -14,
Positive
right?
14.
Oh, oh,
Negative times negative is positive, right?
oh yeah, okay.
Okay, now this time you did better. Now do question 4. I hope this time you'll not make any mistake. We practice until you solve 3 questions without any mistake, Mehmet. Do question 4.
I got 2.
Yeah, finish it. Mehmet, tell me what is x and what is y. Okay. Tell me your final answer. X equals this, y equals this.
So I got 2 and 12. X is 2 and y is 12.
What is your conclusion? What is the solution of this system?
What do you mean? Like
I mean, the question 3, the solution is -3, 2, right?
-3 and
In
2?
question 2, the solution is 5, -1. In question 1, the
Yeah,
solution is -4, -8. In question 4, what is the solution of this system?
2 and 12.
2 and 12.
Yeah,
Look, Mehmet, what did you do in your first step? Tell me. You multiply the first equation by 2?
yeah.
Okay, multiply by 2. Tell me, what did you write?
2x minus 6y. No, wait. Yeah,
Yes.
6y
On the
equals
right-hand
14.
side? 14.
14. 2x minus 6y equals 12.
Okay. Now, what do you do here?
Minus
Subtract. Okay. What is 2x minus 2x?
0,
0. What is -6 minus -6?
0,
0. What is 14 minus 12?
2.
2. So now if you simplify this, 0 equals 2. Is 0 equal to 2?
No.
So how do you solve this equation then?
Oh,
Since for anything, whatever x and y, they disappear, we have this conclusion, 0 equals 2. So since we know that 0 is not equal to 2, the result is no solution. This system has no solution.
oh. Yeah, at first I got this, but I got confused. That's
Okay.
sick.
Because here, whatever you do here, Mehmet, x and y disappears, right? So that means that we don't have such number that actually makes left-hand side equal to right-hand side. Because after all, we have 0 equals 2. We have contradiction, right?
Yeah.
And that's why the system has no solution. I cannot find such x and y because, both are eliminated. Okay, do question 5.
What's 62 divided by 3?
62 divided by 3.
Yeah.
It's not divisible by 3.
Oh, what's
Do it again. You made a mistake. Cross it out. Do it again. You made a
so
mistake somewhere, I think.
for my x, I got negative 14.
Negative 14? No, that's not correct. Do it again. Did you multiply the first equation by 3?
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Mehmet, cross it out. Do it again. What is your first equation after multiplying by 3?
6x plus 3y equals negative 6.
Okay, that's correct. 6x plus 3y is equal to negative 6, right?
Yeah.
Second equation, 5x
5x plus
plus
3y
3y equals
equals negative.
negative 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what did you do after that? Did you subtract?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 6 minus 5?
1x.
It is just x. 3 minus 3y, it's gone. Look, if you get confused, Mehmet, right? Here we have negative 6 minus negative 8, right?
Yeah, negative 14.
How come negative 14? How? This minus minus is plus, right?
Oh,
It is 8. And negative 6 plus 8 is 2.
oh yeah.
You are making a mistake at very basic things, Mehmet. Here it is 2. And otherwise, in math, it's wrong. Everything will be wrong. I mean, okay, your method may be correct, but the answer will be wrong. Mehmet, let's continue. I cannot spend too much time on basic things, okay? By practicing more and more, I hope you'll understand. Maybe next time we should work on integers. The integers are very important. I'm not asking you to add very big numbers, but this basic thing you should know. Negative times negative is positive, right? Positive times negative is negative, right? And when you're
Mm-hmm.
subtracting two numbers, check, like, for example, negative 2 plus 5, right? How do I subtract? This negative 2 means that I have 2 negative 1. I have here 5 positive 1, right? So actually from 5, you need to remove these two of them. Like, for example, what does it mean? It means negative 1 and negative 1. And 5 means that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These guys are gone. These guys are gone. What is that here? It's 3. And of course, you are 10th grade now. You don't have to understand like this, but you should understand uh, adding two negative numbers or adding one negative number to positive number, right? Or subtracting one small number from big number. To do this one first, you need to clear the brackets. And after that, look, numbers, right? Opposite. So we subtract. Which one is bigger? 5. It will be positive. 5 minus 2 is 3. That's it. Mehmet, find y. Come on, let's go. Now x equals 2, Mehmet. Find y. 10 more minutes, Mehmet. 12 more minutes. Well, Mr. Plus. I know you're tired. I'm also
6.
tired, but a man should do what he's supposed to do, right? Sometimes also we should practice how to work when you're very tired.
I
Mehmet,
got negative 6.
what did you get?
Negative 6.
Okay, y is equal to negative 2 minus 2 times x. What is x? It is 2, negative 6. That's correct. Very good. So here we have 2, negative 6. Okay. Remember, do question 6. You should be able to solve 3 questions in a row without mistake. Do question 6, remember, 2 minutes.
What's 16 divided by 48?
16 divided by?
48.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are you dividing 16 by 48?
Wait, what?
Because here solutions are whole integers.
So you can't divide?
You can divide, but it will be a fraction. Are you saying that
Oh,
16 divided by 48?
yeah.
So that's equal to 1/3.
Wait, so you multiply, I did it like y first.
Whatever you do, solve it. Tell me a final answer. What is your x? What is your y? Can you just solve one question yourself? Finish it, okay? And tell me your final result. X equals this, y equals this. And after that, let's discuss it, okay?
I don't know.
That's not good, Mehmet. We should find a solution. We are solving like 50 questions, still you don't understand. What should I do? Mehmet. Do you really want to learn math?
Yeah,
Or you are just taking this lesson because of your mother?
I don't know.
Now, what is the reason? Tell me, like, how many questions? Look, how many questions did we solve? Look at this, all of these questions. We did together again and again and again. How many questions? Also the previous page. But still, you cannot solve this problem. Why? It's very easy math problem. In math, one of the easiest topics, the simultaneous linear equations. But still, you cannot solve. Why? Now, ask this question to yourself, Mehmet. What do you think? What may be the reason? Hmm? Yeah, give me one reason, Mehmet. Because you don't like it, because you don't want to learn, just because of your parents you're taking this class, or what is the reason? And because, Mehmet, if you're taking this class because of your parents, I really don't want to teach, okay? I want to teach somebody who wants to learn, who needs help. Just a little bit push, he can learn. But we practice like at least 20, 30 questions, but still you're saying that I don't know. What should I do? Mehmet, tell me something. Mehmet, you should think, okay? You told your parents or mother, okay, and also I'll tell your mother. Let's actually, if your mother says, okay, you are okay, I will keep teaching. But I'm not happy with your performance. I thought actually how many classes we practice together. I give this as homework and very easy questions. Still, you are saying that I don't know. Okay, Mehmet. And maybe I don't know. You don't like my method. Maybe you don't want to learn, or maybe there's some other reasons. I don't know. But I want to know the reason. I want to find a solution. I don't want to continue teaching like this. Do you understand what I'm saying, Mehmet?
Yes.
Okay. Let's finish this class. Let's what is the problem? And I will finish. You told your mother, Mehmet, I'm not getting angry with you, okay? And I'm just a bit disappointed because your mother is working hard and she's paying for your this private tuition. And also actually I have some expectations so that you can learn, you make some improvement. But when I show how many questions we saw together, but still you don't understand. And you are just saying that I don't know. I cannot teach because after, later your mother will be disappointed. And she will say that, Mr. Qasim, you told me that Mehmet was good and he was learning. Now he didn't learn anything. Why did I pay that much money for you? I don't want to put myself into this situation, okay? Yani in Turkish, if ben senin paranı alıyorsam onu bir hak etmem lazım yani. Helalce kazanmak isterim ya. O aldığım parayı ben de bir şeyle sende bir gelişme görmek isterim ya. Bir gelişiyor musun, bir şey öğreniyor musun? Öğrenmiyorsa yani ben niye hem ben kendim yorayım hem annem boşuna boşuna bu kadar para ödesin. Yani niye yapalım ki bunu? So here we have 2x and 4x. So I'm just going to multiply the first equations both sides by 2. 2 times 2x. Here we have 4x. And next I have plus. 2 times 5, it is 10y. Is equal to 2 times 14, it is 28. Next equation, now I already have the same coefficients, so I don't have to multiply by any number. Just copy the question. And since if you look at this, I have 4x, 4x. They're exactly the same things. So if I subtract, they will be gone. 4x minus 4x, 0. 10 minus 2, it is 8y. And 28 minus negative 4, 28 minus negative 4 is equal to 32. So here we have 32. And y is equal to 32 divided by 8, which is equal to 4. And that's the first step. Now I can find x. Plug it into the first equation. 2x plus 5 times y. It is 4. That's equal to 14. So 2x equals 14 minus 20. Here we have 14 minus 20, which is negative 6. So from here, x equals negative 3. So dot, dot, dot, x equals negative 3, y is equal to 4. Okay. I will save it and send it to you. Mehmet, bir ciddi konuşalım, tamam mı? Sen de bir annenle konuş. Yani anne böyle gidiyor. Belki öğreniyorum da ama belki yavaş öğreniyorum dersin. Ya da anlamıyorum dersin. Yani bir konuş annenle. Şimdi ben de birazdan mesaj atacağım. Bunu halledelim, tamam mı? Yani ciddi bir öğrenme isteğin varsa Mehmet, ben de elimden geldiği şey yapacağım yani. Ama sen öğrenmek istemiyorsan ben bunu sınıfta da hem tüm öğrencilere diyorum ya. Sizin öğrenme isteğiniz yoksa ben hiçbir şey öğretemem. Yani dünyanın en iyi öğretmen getir, hiçbir şey öğretemez. İnsan önce kendisi biraz istemesi lazım. Ben öğrenmek istiyorum diye. Tamam mı? O öğrenmek istediği zaman insana biraz farklı şey olur yani. Yapar eder 2 defa, 3 defa, 4 defa gösterdin. Hadi bir şey öğrenirsin ya. Biz tek sana tek gösteriyorum. Belki benim metodum uymuyordu falan filan ama şu an merak etmeye başladım yani. İlk başta iyiydi de şu an acayip böyle şey var yani böyle push ediyorum ama çok fazla yani bilmiyorum diyorsun, yapamıyorsun, hep hata yapıyorsun yani. Mehmet bir düşünelim, tamam mı? Belki senin bir fikrin varsa böyle yapsak iyi olur, şöyle yapsak iyi olur. Onu da ben düşünürüm. Tamam. Yani ya da bana sadece bir ödevler için yardım etseniz yeter. Onu da bir bakalım yani. Herkesin isteği farklı ya. Ama bu şekilde devam etmem. Şimdi senden bir para alıyorum annenden, tamam mı? Bir vakit harcıyoruz filan. Yani şimdi bir sonuç görmezsem yarın ben veba altında kalacağım ya. Derler ki yani bu kadar para ödedik, hiçbir şey öğretemezsin. Bana küserler yani. Ben böyle bir duruma düşmek istemem. Tamam mı Mehmet? Hadi sen bir konuş. Cumartesi derse de bir bakalım. Gündüz benim işim var. Belki akşam olsaydım. Önce bir konuşalım da ondan sonra öyle bir devam ederiz. Tamam mı?
Tamam.
Oldu. Mehmet görüşürüz. Kendine iyi bak. Tamam. Cumartesi belki 8'de yapabiliriz dersi. Ben sana haber ederim. Tamam.
Tamam.
Mehmet kendine iyi
Görüşürüz.
bak. Görüşürüz.